Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to just go ahead and show you how I install and prep my wigs. This is a glueless wig. It is from ft.Dsoar hair, and I have the opportunity to show you how exactly I prep my hair for a glueless install and the wig as well, in order for it to be nice and flat and gorgeous. Just keep on watching if you'd like to see everything, and I'll see you in the next one. Hey loves, so this is ft.Dsoar hair. This is a box that the hair comes in. It's obviously purple, pink, and black. It tells you what their website is, just in case. It tells you how you can wash the hair, how to take care of the hair on the back, so you don't really have to worry about that. Now this is definitely what the wig came in. I only have this paper because it's a collaboration, so shout out to ft.Dsoar hair. On it gives the specs. So it says body wave transparent lace front wig, 18 inches, 150 density. So as y'all could tell, 150 density. It's a lace front wig and transparent lace. When I seen this wig, I was just like, hell yes, because I just knew like this lace is about to lace so good. So it says 18 inches on the bottom. The hair is obviously in a protective net, and oh my god, this hair feels so good already. As always, ft.Dsoar hair coming through with the good stuff. So you can see, okay, let me take off the protective mesh that is already pre-plucked. This is how they show you that the wig is pre-plucked, and it already has the pre-made short baby hairs that are already cut. So all I'm gonna have to do is bleach the wig and then prep it and get it ready for install. So yeah, pretty much this is what we're looking like. I think it's actually a 13x6 because this parting space is really long, and on the insides, as you can see, it has the combs to keep your wig secure, and a band, so the wig is ultimately glueless. So it's bouncy and it's actually thick. This definitely feels like 180, so that means, you know, it's good quality hair. Yeah, so catch me in the next clip. So this is the 18-inch gorgeous wig that I am going to be working with, and pretty much I just straightened it a little bit. The back isn't straightened because what I'm going to do is just some basically curls on straightened hair, and if you don't understand what exactly I'm talking about, I'm gonna insert a picture right here of what exactly I'm talking about. So honestly, this is what we're working with. I haven't straightened everything, just the front. I'm gonna go in and straighten the back. This wig is actually gonna be semi-glueless or glueless all the way, depending on how I fix the band on the inside, or if I attach a band to it. I really feel like making it glueless is low-key the way to go, personally. I really don't want to bore you guys with another pin curl video, so basically I'm going to just do curls on the ends of the hair. So I'm not really focusing the heat on the ends. I'm just making sure that I get like the top part straight, and when I get down to the ends, it's gonna look like this, a little fluffy, just because I don't want to bone straighten it and then the hair won't be able to keep a curl. Oh, I almost forgot. Let's get into cutting the lace. I also don't cut the lace on my head, which is weird, but I like when it's pre-cut because it definitely just does better for me rather than cutting it on my head. If I see needs to cut differently, I will take it off and cut it, but I pretty much just go in a straight line. I need to buy one of those jagged edged scissors because a lot of people say it works really good for them. But for now, we're gonna use a straight edge. And I just love how this lace is. And you see how I just cut within like grooves? This is just how I like my lace to be cut. So I don't usually use caps. If you want to use a cap, that's up to you. If not, then ladies, if your wig is glueless, pull your wig to the front. Okay. So pretty much the sides aren't like literally just the ear tabs. Everything else is pretty much like stuck down. So if this is where you want your wig to be, just go ahead and glue down your ear tabs. Just pin all this hair out the way while I go ahead and glue my side down. So in a sense, it is still glueless, but I guess semi-glueless if you want to be like super technical. Yeah, so pretty much I'm going to use my mirror that I have here as a guide. Also going to use my comb, so I like press it into my skin instead of using any pencil or anything like that. This is so hard to do from like a mirror that's close up, so bear with me, y'all. Yeah, so I already had my edges pushed back because I do that before I put my wigs on. And I think this is pretty self-explanatory. So you put it on. I just wait until my glue dries either clear or semi-clear. At this point, I'm using my phone to see, because I'm actually filming on my phone. My melanin shows up more on my phone than anything else, especially my camera. Like, it's really tricky, and I like when people are able to see like my actual skin for what it is. Like, it's cute. I mean, it's cute. I ain't gonna take that from myself, but I just want y'all to see like my actual skin tone. Use it over on this side. I would get into like super details about this stuff, but I do classes. They will be available by I guess like January again, because I just moved, so I need to make sure that I think this is better. I just need to make sure that everything is in place for me to do a class. It's almost as though I'm a scratch record as it relates to like how I lay my laces. It's nothing new, nothing old. I have to wait on this to dry some more because it's still clear. Sometimes I don't even have the patience, and because of that, the lace ends up being white or like lighter than up here, which is totally fine because it's usually like covered with baby hairs, and you can always go back in with your beauty blender with your foundation on it to do that thing. So now that that's over, let me go ahead, slap some lashes on, and some lip gloss. Okay, you guys, so I have successfully straightened, made sure everything is together as planned. So now I'm gonna just get into the styling portion. This makes me look like I low-key have a tiny widow's peak. I don't know. But yeah, so this is the wig. It's 150 density. It is straightened, and that's why, I mean, it looks thick, so I cannot complain. So yeah, let's just get into the styling portion. So I'm gonna use my curling iron and just take big chunks. You actually don't need, look, I actually did the baby hair, so this is what it looks like. Take big chunks and pretty much just go in with the curl starting there. I don't want it to be like curls that starts up here. I just want like the ends to be nice and curled, curled nicely. You know, this style is pretty much super duper easy to do. I like it. I think it looks cute. You don't need to layer your curly hair to do your body wave hair to do this. It's pretty easy and simple and straight to the point. You don't take up chunks. You only take chunks from the end to curl your hair pretty much. Yeah, just curl it like that. You don't want it to be curled all the way up and layered and volume and all that stuff. Pretty much it's really easy. It's cute for the fall time. I would do this to my hair every day if I had to. Like, it's just simple. So yeah, let me just do the other side because this video is already like super duper lengthy and you pretty much don't even need to do too much to this hair. Like, even though I straighten it, you can see it obviously curls really nice. You don't need to, you know, do too many sections at a time. It's super simple to do. And yeah, so Dsoar hair is the way to go. I've been wearing like their bundles and frontals and wigs for a hot minute now, probably from 2018, and I can definitely say I am in love with their lace. It's really gorgeous. It is for like the minimalistic working woman that doesn't really like too much hair on her head. So really, older ladies that do wear lace, I definitely would recommend this. This is so nice and natural. You can make your wig glueless, and for younger ladies as well who definitely don't want to mess up their edges whatsoever, this is a nice gorgeous wig for you. As you can see, I don't have to go all the way up and do anything extra to get my curls the way they are. Literally just curling half of the wig to get this style and straightening half. So yeah, the lace is basically my favorite part about this wig. The hair is too, it's gorgeous, but because it's a lace front wig, I'm super focused on the front, which is the lace, and it's off the chain. The hairs are gorgeous. The hair itself is gorgeous, and you know, it does have body, and if you do want to layer this hair, go ahead and do so. I prefer 150 for this style because, you know, you don't want too much volume with this. You just want it nice and natural looking. So yeah, that is pretty much everything that I will do and complete this tutorial. So if you'd like to purchase Dsoar hair, definitely do so. I recommend it all the way. The links will be in the description box. Let me show y'all. It is glueless. These baby hairs are down. Like, when I tell you got to be glued, don't play, it don't play. Like, the whole wig is down. Literally, all you have to do is do your edges, and yeah. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you lovely ladies in the next one.